Hey everyone, if Snapchat is still sending notifications, try these fixes. So to start, double check Snapchat notification settings. So inside the app, open Snapchat, click your profile icon at the top left, go to settings at the top right, then scroll down and go to notifications.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
Now go through everything carefully. So turn off stories, friend suggestions, memories, turn off message reminders. So Snapchat sometimes enables new notification types after updates. So even if you turn things even if you turn things off before, they might be back on. So make sure you turn off everything. Now for the second method is to turn off notifications from your phone. So close Snapchat and go to your settings. Now in here, scroll down to apps. So open apps and go to Snapchat. Now in here, go to notifications and make sure you turn off allow notifications just like so. Or you can customize. You can turn off lock screen, turn off notification center, banners. You can turn off sounds or badges. If notifications still appear, you can check your focus mode, so it might allow Snapchat through, or you can check scheduled summary because notifications may be delayed but not disabled. Next, what you can do is go back to main settings and go to general. Now in here, go to iPhone storage. Next, look for Snapchat and open it. And in here, tap on offload app. So tap on offload app again and just wait for it. So it will show you reinstall app. Tap on that and it will then reinstall Snapchat. So this way, this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. You can also check for updates. So updated versions can bug out. So make sure you also update the app. Now, once done, close settings and open Snapchat again and see if that works or that solves your problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.